Hey people, so my child and me have discovered this cute place called AJS, and this amazing potato snack is only for like 30 bucks. Honestly, I'm told this place opened 20 days ago. This is in Marredpally, and there's not much of an ambience to speak of, but I just love places that are under the open sky. So yeah, I will be uploading this video. That's how I got them to subscribe. Give me a bite, no Chona. My son just finished his share, and this is his mother, darling mother, has. And something like this at a theater is for 100 bucks. Here you get it for 30 bucks. So it's like a cute place. I just in this place called Pondicherry, like the structure here is it's this very old old construction. So sitting here, I'm getting this feeling as if I'm in Pondicherry, and there's a staircase that leads where, I'm not sure, but yeah. So we'll do another recording when the mushroom masala and rotis come. Ayush, what's your opinion of this place? You don't want? Bus?
I'm gonna drink this.
Okay. So yeah, I'm so glad we're part of this.